Hey guys, it's Woods and Power, and we are the All Night Gamers.
Yes, we are, aren't we?
Yes, and I predict fail.
Yes, you do.
Because we are going into our first water level. Yay!
Yay!
Yippee. Okay, we need ice flowers in there right here. Box.
Oh, ice flower.
I just told you.
No. Ow. Hit me with your head. That's cheap. Oh, wait, whoa.
You know that you have to press 2.
You shut up.
You stupid bitch.
You shut up. That's not supposed to
Bad, I said bash.
Bashard, whatever.
Bashard. Right, next spam. Sorry about that, our step for
Yay.
I killed the gummy bear. Yes, gummy bear. Max, speak, fool.
Help Ouija.
No.
After what you've done to millions of people, you expect us to help it? Ah!
Actually, no, wait, no. Yeah,
Why not?
you're stupid.
Yeah, I get the flag.
Freeze, fool. Come on, Max.
Freaking freeze.
Fishy. This commentary needs to be more exciting. Wow, Max, you just walked right over there.
Shut up. What the?
Ha ha!
You shut up.
This one.
Shut up is 2 words. It's 2.
It's one word.
It's 2 words.
It's one word in my book.
You don't have a book. Exactly.
Never will, but I will.
When? Update.
Okay, there's the last star coin.
Let's get it.
Silence.
Here's 2. Oh, what the?
Right, Max, stay there, because I'll get you, like... Wait, what? I thought it was about to fall off. Nintendo would be such jerks if it just fell off.
Yeah. You have to actually get it. Do something. Get it. Hey, is there a pipe up here?
Oh, there's the end.
There it is! There it is! Let's go! Go!
God, scare me.
Skewer.
Skewer. Alright, Max, I'll get us a 1-up. We're supposed to use the parachute.
What the f- Yeah.
Wait, what? The parachute, but...
I got 2,000 points.
I got 1,000.
I got 2,000.
If we get a 1-up, it's 10,000. Next time we get a 1-up, you know what to say.
I give myself 1,000 points. So this Goomba doesn't get in our way.
Come on, I'm gonna trick him out. Oh, what now? Oh, yeah.
It's the Mushroom House.
Yay! I predict fail.
Yes.
More fail! Failure.
Fatality.
Stop rubbing.
It's just a marker.
Okay, Max, go.
Okay.
I got a propeller hat. Mushroom! Oh, crap.
Bowser Jr.
Propeller hat! Ice flower! Fire flower! Propeller hat!
screwed us over again.
Bowser Jr. is the bane of my existence.
Yes, it is. Oh, a Goomba is gonna drag us into a random battle.
Dun 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 dun.
This is Mario, not Pokemon.
You said random battle. Oh, 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 oh! Go, 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 Nintendo. Go, 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 Mark.
Yeah, I got the mushrooms.
We got the shroom!
You be quiet.
I got shroom.
Boing.
I'm generous.
Yes, you are.
We're gonna go to this world. I remember it being really easy if you have the propeller hat.
Why don't we have propeller hats?
Because there's one right in the beginning of the level. Here, I'll give you across. I have a feeling I'll be carrying you a lot in this Let's Play.
Yeah, probably.
Will limit my existence. Ooh, propeller hats. Oh, shite. No, gimme!
I want a propeller hat.
Here, Max. Alright, let's do it.
Oh, what the ball? What the?
Have you ever noticed that Mario Luigi wearing jogger outfits whenever they have a propeller hat on?
Yeah. They're all green and all red. Why did it just jump off? Oh, I didn't die. Yay! Yay!
Alright, Max, you get those coins, I'll get them.
Oh, I'm getting Starfield. We both get it.
No, you don't deserve it, so. No! Darn it! Max win. Right. Oh, darn it!
Ow.
Darn it! Oh, we got him. Yeah, I got this one. I don't care. I'm the one who touched it. Do it! Mushroom! Alright, I think the start. You have the start points, right? The propeller has one.
Yeah. Corkscrew.
This commentary is really, really boring.
Yeah.
I hope it gets better.
Better than people are watching Star
Mine. Oh, the
we
line
got
went,
that one up.
the line up went right into the.
Say something.
Let's try to sing it. Say it.
Say what?
I don't know.
Hey! Hey! You just made me lose my propeller hat!
So.
Jerk?
Alright, I'm gonna get Max. Stay still. I'm gonna get the 8 red coins. No! Wait! No! Not move.
Oh wait!
Max! What?
The one up!
No!
One up. Oh no!
Why did you press the A button?
Oh!
No! Anyways,
Oh!
this is where it has to end, guys.
Oh, man.
The fail continues!
Next time on All Night Gamers.
Fail continues.